right, so now I want to talk to you about the multi-direction edge tab. This is just a tab that sort of changes things up. You've got a hinged or articulating edge here, another line of tabs here. What this allows you to do, right, as the name would suggest, is it allows you to pull in multiple directions. So if we're underneath a quarter where it returns where the bumper is, we can be in this way, and we're able to pull laterally out, straight out like this. A lot of times on those hits, the panel comes in and up. So, right, to reverse that damage, you need to pull down and out. This pulls out, this lets you pull down. Really an incredible tool, and I think we're gonna hop over in a minute and show you exactly how this tool works, or how this tab works, right? And it's really just something pretty incredible. Anytime you can pull on multiple directions, multiple planes, or that multiplies how much power you can put into the car. Very, very flexible, right? Incredible, incredible design here. A new tab, right, on the large side of things is this tab here. This is very flexible. We can go this way. We can actually remove these center pins and get even more flexibility into the deep areas. This allows you to get, say, on a quarter panel where it comes down and returns in, you can slide in there. You can pull in two directions. So we can pull out, right, remove the damage coming straight out of the quarter. Or if you've got something that's driven in and up and you need to pull down, right, you can pull here and then pull here. It gives you multiple directions of pull out of one tab. And you can see that these hooks or these loops are on sort of a hinge or ball and socket that allows you to get the angle exactly right. Another added benefit with this style tab is they're not just ingenious in their design, they're actually universal, right? So if you have the Camauto system, right, you can put your bar through here, grab with your hook and pull. If you have another system, say from Kiko, you can swap these out, right? Swap your loops out for your standard round head, right? Making this a universal tab that works across all systems, right? So think about adding this to your arsenal.